Hi guys, and welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving this problem that appeared on the 2019 Kangaroo Math Contest, grades 9 to 10. The problem states that two quarter circles whose centers are at S and Q fit exactly inside the square PQRS of side length 2. The largest possible circle is drawn inside the region where the quarter circles overlap. What is the area of the circle? So based on the information given, we know that QR, the side QR, is equal to 2, right? The side QR equals to 2. So let me just write that down on the diagram. 2. Okay. We also know that SR equals to 2. So if we connect Q and S, if we make a line between them, if we make a line between QS, since this angle is perpendicular, since this angle is a right angle, because it's a square, we can use Pythagorean theorem to find this out. So QS would be square root 2 squared plus 2 squared, which would be square root 4 plus 4, which would be square root 8, which would simplify into 2 root 2. So this QS would equal 2 root 2. And let me make a point at the center called O. And O, of course, bisects QS. It cuts it in half. So if QS equals to 2 root 2 and O cuts QS in half, then QO should be half of 2 root 2. And of course, half of 2 root 2 is just root 2. So QO equals to root 2. Okay? So QO equals to root 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take all the information we have right now and we're going to problem solve with it. We're going to get more information based on the information we already have. So we shouldn't forget that these are semicircles, which means with radius 2, which means from this point, any line drawn to this is 2 units. Any line drawn to this is 2 units. And that includes this line from Q to, I'll just call it A. Okay? So QA would equal 2. Since it's on the circumference of the quarter circle. So QA would equal 2. Right? That means AS would be 2 root 2 minus 2. Because 2 root 2 is the QS, right? And 2 is QA. So to get AS, you would say 2 root 2 minus 2. And you can do the same thing with this point in this circle, and so this would equal 2 as well. And we can just say that, let me make another point, B. QB would equal 2 root 2 minus 2. Let me draw B better. So QB would equal to 2 root 2 minus 2. Okay? So with all the information we have, we can solve for O, the radius. Sorry, OB, which is the radius. O is the center of the circle. So we know that QO equals to root 2. And QB equals to 2 root 2 minus 2. So OB would equal root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 2. Because just like what we did to say that this is 2 root 2 minus 2, since that is root 2 and this is 2 root 2 minus 2, this is 2 minus root 2 minus 2. And that's a lot of 2's. But when we write it down and when we simplify it, we get root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 2, or 2 minus root 2. So that's the radius of our circle. So let me just write it down here because I'm running out of space. R equals to 2 minus root 2. To find the area of a circle, the equation is pi r squared. So we already have everything we need to get the area of the circle. Now we just have to do it. So r is 2 minus root 2. So 2 minus root 2 squared times pi would be our area. And when we expand that, we get 4 minus 4 root 2 plus 2. And that's all multiplied by pi. And when we simplify that, we get 6 minus 4 root 2 pi. And as you can see, it is answer E. So answer E would be the correct answer in this case. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.